Hi Emily, my name is Mary and I'm with the Principal Marketing Firm. And in this video, I'm going to show you three main topics to help bring more customers to your business. I know you're probably sitting there and you're asking yourself, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? And I definitely and fully understand. Although in a busy world, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can impact them and their company. Also, sometimes the only hesitation most business owners have is hiring someone who they don't know is or isn't an expert. So by the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you see I have a lot up my sleeve that I can offer you for digital marketing for your business on the internet, then please shoot me a message back, or even Devin, he is the CEO and co-founder, and we can have a chat. But if not, and you just want to take this free attack plan that I give to you and say, I can do it myself, that's fine. Thank you, Mary. I definitely understand that too. So the first thing is, let's just jump right into it. So here we have on your website, we can jump into the first thing, which is content. Your content, you have about 867 words fairly on your content. Google does need you to have about 1,500 to be optimized in Google. Your competitors, they have less. They have about 400, I believe, close to 400 words on their end. But that's beatable. We can definitely beat them with that. Now, when we talk about searching you guys, right? If you search up criminal lawyers in Reno or lawyers in Reno in general, we want to make sure that we get you guys up there. Therefore, we want to make sure you're on the ads list. You're also any keywords that people search that they're finding you in the Reno area. Now, the second thing we want to talk about is citations. So citations are basically what Google Map Pack is. If you're looking for a citation, you're going to be seeing that they have the three main things, which is your address, your phone number, and the company name. Now, we call these things naps, and you're asking yourself probably, Mary, how can I get on the ranking of maps? And that's what I'm here for. That's what the principal marketing is here for, to help you guys get number one. Now, we do use a site called Whitesparks, which is right here. Whitesparks is going to show what your citations are. Now, currently, you have about 58 citations. Your other competitors, they have a bit more citations. If you scroll down here, we have 57, we have 60 citations, just different stuff that you can see on here. And ignore these things right here. This is for our real estate agents. We're just mainly focusing on your attorneys at law, right? So if your competitors have 39 citations, then and you have 58, of course you're beating them out, but not by a landslide, and that's something we want to focus on. Now, Whitespark is about 30 to 70 bucks a month, and you can get it if you'd like, depending on whatever action plan that you would like to do. That is something that you can take into control. But strictly speaking about citations, if I click into your citations, we're looking for Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, Facebook. Yes, even Facebook has citations. So you see that you have Bing, you have Yelp. We want to make sure that we're getting these links that we find if someone is searching, hey, 93 citations for Bing. That's what you guys are on. That's fantastic. And you're found today. You're found today. You're relevant. We want to keep you guys relevant and make sure that we have more of those citations leading back to your website page. The last thing I want to talk about and cover with you is backlinks. It's a very important aspect to Google. We call these things backlinks because it gives your site authority. If we're searching for criminal lawyers in Reno, we want to make sure that whatever we click on here, that maybe it's Yelp or it's there you go, Yelp or Enterprise or anything like that, then you're clicking on this, but it's going straight to you guys. It's a backlink going straight to you. So if I search up www.lawyers.com for criminal defense lawyers, then I want to make sure that you guys are number one on there, that you're getting clicked and that link is efficient to you. Not that I'm looking at Pizza Hut and you guys are connected to Pizza Hut. That's not a very valuable link going back to you, and it's not an efficient link. It actually will make Google look at you and say you're not a recognizable link that we'd like to connect to. So we want to make sure that you're number one authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest or being that A-plus student in the class and making it more efficient for you. So the three things that we went over is going to be your content, making sure you have 1,500 words to be optimized, your citations, making sure that we can get the numbers over here being clicked over to a better number instead of having that 58 number, having those 200 or 300 citations. beating them by a landslide. Also, the last thing is your backlinks. You want to make sure that your backlinks are relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority and that you guys can be the number one across Google for the Reno area when people are looking for a defense attorney. Now, you can either take this information and run with it. I definitely agree. You can do that yourself. Or to be more efficient and save yourself some time, you can give me a call or give Devin a call. My personal number is 775-402-2885. Again, my name is Mary. And if you have any further questions at all regarding any of this, don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email back. Thank you. I really appreciate your time. Bye-bye.